you for joining me, although I'm yet to come apart, for part 2 of tonight's regular 16,000 and simmer for no more than 4 aeons show-stopping Soundfest. We've been simmering out the pot boilers and whittled it down to all killer and no filler for your delectably delectable, debauched craniums to absorb. This is a meal ticket to the stars. Yes, and if you star me up, you'll never stop shining. And to star things up right now, we'll hear the Electric Prunes, whose doctor they call Dr. Do-Good.
Jolly goods by trotting o'er the globe, riding on a camel's back in a crimson robe. Your birth reads like a novel as for how you came to be. You say your mommy found you in a laughing willow tree. Your twisted form of madness in relation to your sadness is 'cause you have been landless this year. What? Dr. Do-Good is here. Rest your head upon that pillow there. You're delved into the sickness that brought you to my care. Just close your eyes and you'll rest. What did your daddy do? Oh yes, my dear, it's quite alright. I hear the music too. Your twisted form of madness in relation to your sadness is 'cause you have been madness this year. What? Dr. Do-Good is here. I've just looked into annoy ya, hope no plotting to destroy ya. Have no fear, my dear, it's only basic paranoia. I hear the tinkle of a bell, my doctor's calling me. Your doctor said to tell you that he'd be back at 3, but I've so enjoyed our little chat. What did your daddy do? Oh yes, my dear, it's quite alright. I hear the music too. Your twisted form of madness in relation to your sadness is 'cause you have been madness this year. What?
Next up, let's hear the first from our second featured artists, Dr. Hook and the Medicine Show. The 4 cuts we'll hear tonight are taken from the Doctor's first self-titled set and Sloppy Seconds, with cover of the Rolling Stone being from the sloppy one, and all numbers have been composed by cartoonist and poet Shel Silverstein. We follow this with the title track from Al Cooper's 69 AD, yes, added Dolby, long player, You Never Know Who Your Friends Are. This cut goes out to the many people with instruments I've had the joy to meet and work with throughout the years. Thanks. But firstly, let's think of all the good and honest things the business of music has bestowed upon us all. As Dr. Hook and the Medicine Show now relate with cover of the Rolling Stone.
I don't believe it. Don't touch me. Hey, Ray. Hey, Sugar. Tell them who we are.
Well, we're big rock singers, we got golden fingers, and we're loved everywhere we go.
That sounds like us.
We sing about beauty and we sing about truth at $10,000 a show.
Right.
We take all kind of pills to give us all kind of thrills, but the thrill we've never known is the thrill that'll get you when you get your picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone.
Rolling Stone.
Wanna see my picture on the cover? Stone. Wanna buy 5 copies for my mother? Yeah. Wanna see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone?
That's a very, very good idea.
I got a freaky old lady named a Cocaine Kitty who embroideries on my jeans. I got my poor old gray-haired daddy driving my limousine.
Now it's all designed to blow our minds, but our minds won't really be blown like the blow that'll get you when you get your picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone. Wanna see our pictures on the cover. Wanna buy 5 copies for our mother. Wanna see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Hey, I know how. Rock and roll. Oh, that's beautiful. We got a lot of little teenage blue-eyed groupies who do anything we say. We got a genuine Indian guru. He's teaching us a better way. We got all the friends that money can buy, so we never have to be alone. And we keep getting richer, but we can't get our picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone. Wanna see my picture on the cover. Wanna buy 5 copies for my mother. Wanna see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. On the cover of the Rolling Stone. Wanna see my picture on the cover. Wanna buy 5 copies for my mother. Wanna see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone.
Right up front, man, I can see it now. We'll be out front smiling, man. Oh.
I wonder if you are really a friend of mine. If I were dying of thirst, would you be my glass of wine? Time goes by so slow, you know. You never really know who your friends are. Oh, baby, I wonder if you are really a friend of mine. If I were buying a house, would you come and countersign? Time goes by so fast, you know. You never really know who your friends are. If you were down, you'd know I'd be there at your door. I'd shower you with food and money. After all, what are friends for? They're really such a bore. Knocking at your door, ask you for support. I wonder if you are really a friend of mine. If I were lying in jail, would you get out of bed and pay my fine? Time stands still for everyone. You never really know. Time stands still for everyone. You never really know who your friends are.
Now, if Don Van Vliet's listening, which I'm sure he is, tuning in regularly to Radio Boss, that stands for...
The Big Oversoul Sound.
I think Don would dig Eddie Cleanhead Vincent's vocal delivery deep, as Eddie sings Somebody Stole My Cherry Red. This Red Hot Platter is another King Records waxing, or shellacking I should say, and was Eddie's only hit for the label in 49. Yes, 49, a very repetitive year, a little like Sager and Evans' 25.
In the year 2525,
But before we look for Eddie's Cherry Red, let's experience a rare Tyrannosaurus Rex intro, sounding a shade beard of stars. It's entitled Deep Summer and can only be found on the Easy Action 6 CD box set, A Whole Zinc of Finches, as far as I'm aware. So, secondly, Eddie Cleanhead Vincent, but firstly, a little something to keep in our hearts. Yes, it's Mark.
Service Society by Rockin, okay? I'm out there on the front lines liberating people with my music. Rockin' ain't no walk in the park, lady.
Well, I looked in the front yard. Well, I looked in the back. Well, I even looked in the junk man's sack. For what? Somebody done stole my cherry red. I'm gonna search this whole world wide to find me another cherry red bride. I'm gonna keep right here by my clean head side. It ain't no fruit that I could find to take that cherry off my mind, 'cause I gotta have my cherry all the time. 'cause my baby's cherries are sweet as they can be.
Oh Lord, the blues have got me.
Poor Eddie. Not only has he had his cherry red stolen, but he also seems to have a terrible case of hiccups too. But before we hear I Call That True Love, the second number from Dr. Hook, we'll experience a touch of Belfast Blues from Eric Bell's recently released Lonely Nights in London set. This number is dedicated to Tom Martin, who continues to run possibly the only honest music venue in the world today. Its name is the Tower of Song, and if you have any soul at all, you'll nip to it, 'cause you've got to get on up to get on down, you dig, and it's the only building to have Robert Johnson's legs dangling over the side of its walls.
Like in another lifetime, I'm walking down the Woodstock Road, looking like a kid, feeling like a man, carrying a heavy load. Down in the shoes, Belfast Blues, nothing to lose, Belfast Blues. Well, you know I tried a 9 to 5, but just couldn't toe the line. The rope work saying that pickle factory nearly blew my mind. Down in the shoes, Belfast Blues, you know we ain't got nothing to lose, Belfast Blues, alright. I don't know, I just got bored over a girl. I wanna make my mark in the world. Looking back, I'm older now, maybe a little wiser too. If I had the chance to do it again, the second time around is never the same. Now and again when I get home, I walk down those old streets alone, and every brick, every tree brings those memories back to me. They kept me going when I was living alone, thinking of home. Down in the shoes, Belfast Blues, you know I ain't got nothing to lose, Belfast Blues.
Every morning, won't you wake up early, cook me a great big T-bone steak, serve it to me in big, go out in the street and hustle, bring me back all the money you made. Tell her, won't you rub my body with sweet scented oil, cool me with electric fan. That's it. Shoot right to the church, fall down on your knees, say, Lord, I wanna thank you for that man, and I call that true love, true and sweet. That ain't the kind of love I'm getting, but baby, that's the kind of love I need. Oh, you look at here now, get her, baby. Come on. I wanna come home every evening to a great big meal of wine, a roasted pheasant. I want you to say to me, Ray, hey, this is Susie, this is Kay. I brought them both home to you for a present. When the man downs his door and finds my stash, won't you tell him it belonged to you? And when you're sitting in the slam, tell all the other chickies when they get out, they should look me up too. Right. I call that true love, true and sweet. And you know, that ain't the kind of love I'm getting, but baby, that's the kind of love I need. Hey man, a cigarette, and you get away from here now. All right, baby. So Some guy accusing me of fooling with his wife, threatens to take me apart. Points a gun at me, I want you to jump in the middle and take the bullet in your own heart. And as you're lying on the floor and dying, I want you to look up at me and say, hey Ray, I'm sorry I messed up your rug. Just roll my body out of the way, and I call that true love. You know what it is, true and sweet. That ain't the kind of love I'm getting, but baby, that's the kind of love I need. Hollywood calls you on the telephone. I want you to turn down the part. You don't need it. And when we're ballin', baby, right on top, so we'll never ever strain my heart. And I call that true love, 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 true and sweet. Now, that ain't the kind of love I'm getting. That ain't the kind of love I'm getting, baby. You know what kind of love I'm getting, right? No kind, baby, but I don't need it. I don't need it. I'm proud of you, man. You want me, man, I swear. I'm a straight rider.
O-S-S B-O-S-S B-O-S-S vibrates stronger than the rest. B-O-S-S is just alright with me. B-O-S-S home of silent sound and jest. B-O-S-S beams them cosmically. Tell your sister, tell your brother, tell your father, tell your mother, all the Not Boss family. Radio boss is boss for me. B-O-S-S gives you more than the rest. B-O-S-S unconditionally. B-O-S-S Psychedelic Road is the address. B-O-S-S number 53. The home of sounds with a silent P. Hey, here's some more Midlands-based sounds now, this time stemming from Harvest signing Tea and Symphony's debut long player, An Asylum for the Musically Insane. From this set comes Winter, and is dedicated to the lady with the mostest, Dilly! Dilly is so wonderful. Dilly is the lady who runs the Facebook page and keeps us up to date with the Notorious Brothers performances. Mwah, thank you, Dilly baby. This is followed by Strange World, a cut from the brand new Beach Boys album, That's Why God Made the Radio. Really? I thought it was made just so we could all drop out, turn on and tune into
The Big Oversoul Sound.
Oh, here's Tea and Symphony.
Glittering constellations that are coated on the glass. Will we rise together and get on with the day as the winter birds recite their early morning creed? sing. Look at you busy with your living, breathing out your gentle breath that freezes in the air.
On Santa Monica City Pier, we watch the people who gather here, the uninvited who lost their way, and now we're all here to stay. And it's a strange world, there's nothing to it. Strange world, I'm getting through it. Strange world, can't get it over. It's a strange world after all. In multicolourful lines we run to catch a glimpse of the setting sun. I can't imagine how life would be if you were not here with me. And it's a strange world, there's nothing to it. Strange world, I'm getting through it. Strange world, strange world after Sunday morning, sky so blue. You'll take a book, and I love you. You can drive your car to the county fair, or ride your bicycle anywhere. It doesn't matter that much to me, 'cause we're pretty good company. And it's a strange world, there's nothing to it. Strange world, I'm getting through it. Strange world, can't get it over. It's a strange world after all.
Radio bass is wonderful. Hey! Next up, let's hear some blissed out bass heavy keep on trucking kinda sounds from Taj Mahal and session guitarist extraordinaire Jesse Davis, also known as Jesse Ed Davis. Reno Street Incident is taken from his debut solo Atlantic disc and possesses many steady grooves aplenty. So, ready yourself, roll the one skin as we rock steady with Jesse.
Now way downtown on Reno Street, just one block off Broadway, stands a row of funky shingle shacks and starlit lights away. I heard that jukebox sing and shout from a half a mile up the downtown block, and I knew, oh yes I knew I had to find my way through, 'cause I know what truth is true. I won't do, yes I do. Peeping in through the window, went to my surprise, looking back at me from the other side was two great big old eyes. It was Ellen, Virgil's old lady, my hand and I clumb in the window. She said we keep the front door locked. She said, you know I'm gonna see you through. Honey, I know what truth is true. Do you want to? I said, yes, I do. Well, she felt my jeans and said, honey, how much you got? I said, about 35 cents, I think. She said, that's not exactly what I'm talking about. But you go on ahead and baby, just put it on out. You talk about the bridge over troubled water, and you can mention cock and power too. But there's just one thing I want you to know. Killing sure can't do. I had to find my way through, and she showed me what you can do if you want to. And honey, you know I sure do. I'm gonna have to stretch a little guts up.
Never been out of the groove, honey.
You're listening to Radio Boss, the only place to be when all other places make you feel out of place. And the face next in place is Jeremy Spencer's, whose rendition of Fabian's Please Don't Stop appears on his Precious Little disc. This is followed by an instrumental from the Ginger Baker Trio and is dedicated to Richard Rivette.
Richard Rivette is wonderful.
The only man I know who can play 2 floor toms with one elbow, dampening half the biggest one, whilst doing things that people don't seem to do anymore, if they ever did, with a cymbal and beater, as the gong continuously rings on in the deepest of tones, whilst the bongos go through metabolic tonal ranges, from conga to tabla cadenzas every 6 1/4 seconds, and still he has one arm and half a hand and 3 legs free to perform the next compelling percussion feat. Isn't that exciting? I knew you'd think it was, but firstly, here's Jeremy.
Girls are kinda crazy in a mixed-up kind of way. Stop, tired of kissing. This is what they say. They say please, honey. They say don't. Sugar. They say stop. Baby. They say please don't stop making love to me. They say please, I'm gonna see you to the door. They say don't. I try to kiss me once more. They say stop. I do more. They say please don't stop making love to me. Right? Please don't stop. So I'm moving in close and they pretend to turn away, but they never mean it whenever they say, they say please, I'm gonna see you to the door. They say don't. I try to kiss me once more. They say stop. They say please don't stop making love to me. They say please, you know you're driving me mad. They say don't. Why must you be so bad? They say stop. I'm gonna tell you that. They say please don't stop making love to me, girl. kind of crazy in a mixed sort of way. Don't ever pay attention whenever they say, please. I'm gonna lead you to the door. They say don't. Try to kiss me once more. They say stop. Give me one more. They say please don't stop making love to me. They say please. You know you're driving me mad. They say don't. Why must you be so bad? They say stop. I'm gonna tell you dad. They say please don't stop making love to me. They say please don't stop making love to me. Please don't stop making love to me. Please don't stop. Please don't stop.
You don't like jazz.